Students, today we are going to do prepositions. What are prepositions? A preposition is a word which shows a relation between noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. So, this shows the relation between a noun or pronoun with another words in a sentence. What is the meaning of prepositions? But if we break that, it becomes pre plus position. Pre means before, position means place. So, it is placed before a noun, a pronoun, a verb and an adjective. It means they come before a noun, pronoun, verb or adjective. Example, the monkey is behind the tree. So you can see there is the tree is the noun and behind is the preposition. So behind is coming before a noun. Okay, that is a noun, that is preposition, and preposition is before the noun. And other you can see there is a monkey and a tree. So relation between the monkey and the tree is behind. That monkey is behind the tree. That is the relation between the monkey and tree. Now bache, we will learn the types of prepositions. There are three types of prepositions. First is preposition of time, and it is used to indicate time. Next is preposition of place or position. It is used for the place or position. Preposition of direction, to show the movement of a person and things. So first of all we will see the preposition of time. To show, to indicate the preposition of time, bache, the word we use that are after, at, before, by, for, from, in, on, since, until and till. After is used for completion of an action, when any action is complete. For that we use after. At we use for the clear or unclear time of action. Before use beginning of an action. By is used for the limit of an action, when we denote the limit of an action. For bache, it is used as when we denote the length of an action. From we use bache when any action at the time when the action is begins. And in is used to it denotes future time or a part of a day, month or year. On denotes bache day or dates. It is used before the day or dates. And since is used before beginning of an action. Okay, beginning of an action. Until is used bache in the sense of how long something is going to on. Till or until we use to tell the how long something is going to last. Next is bache preposition of place and position, and the words are above, among, at, below, between, in, near, on, over, under, upon. So above is used when something is at a higher position, like the fan is above my head. Okay, when it is not touching, above, higher position. Among is used with more than two person, more than two things, two persons. At we use bache for the exact place, when the area, exact point of place. Okay, like we live at Jalalabad in Punjab. Okay, and we stop at Karnal for a break. That show the point of place. Below is used for the lower positions. Between is used with two person, with the two person. In we use bache when inside a large area, like Karan lives in Delhi. Delhi is a large area, so we can use here in. Then near bache, that denotes the closeness, like the metro station is near my house. Then on is used for the something on a surface, in a laying position, in a rest position. Okay, like we can say the pen is on the book, that is touching the surface. In a lying position, that is on. Next is bache over is used higher than something and covering it, higher than something and covering it, like My mother put a quilt over me. So that is higher on you and covering you. The bridge is over the river. So the bridge is covering the river and it is over. So that is over. Next is under. Under means implies lower than or vertical below. Okay, lower than or vertical below. Like I sat under the shade of the tree. Next is upon. Upon something on surface, like on. Upon is used with the things in motion. Okay, like we can say a insect is upon my book, and that is on a motion. Motion means in movement. That is called a upon. Okay, something on a surface but in motion. Next is बच्चे preposition of directions. Preposition of directions which that are used for the movement of person or things, like across, against, at, by, down, for, from, into, of, out of, over, to, up. So first of all, across. Across used for movement towards another side. When from one side we are going to another side, that is called across. Against, it refers to a movement in the opposite directions. Like someone is coming there, second one is going to there, that is against. Next is at. At is used for the direction of a target. Okay, with the idea of hitting, that you know where are you going. Like the children threw stones at the ugly dogs. It means you are your direction is target. Where are you throwing the stones? At the ugly dog. By. By denotes the movement, means movement of means transportation means. Okay, like I go to school by bus. Movement should. Down. Down is used for falling movement. Refers to the falling movement downwards. Like something is falling downward, and for the movement. Like the shepherd raced down the hill. Okay, that it means he is coming down the hill. Next is for. For suggests beginning of a movement. Like I start for school at 7 o'clock. This is the starting point, beginning of the movement. Next is बच्चे from. From denotes the beginning of onward movement. It is used with the point of departure. It means when you are showing your beginning and the departure time both. Like he has gone from the factory. And next is I started from home at 8 o'clock. Okay, so it is denotes the beginning of onwards movement, and it is used with the point of departure. Next is into. Into denotes movement towards the interior or something. Like the children jump into the canal to swim. Okay, that is in motion and something inside. Next is off. Show separation for something. Like when something is separate from other. Like he fell off the moving bus. It means the person he separate from the moving bus. Then we use off. Out of. Out of means बच्चे the inside of something. Okay, it means out in that motion but outside. The child ran out of the gate. The child in motion and it is coming out. That is out of. Next is over. Over towards the other side of something high. Okay, you are going to other side but that is high. Like the thief climbed over the wall. Wall is some in high position and you are going to other side. That is over. 2. It indicates destination. Destination means your place where you want to go. Like I am going to the doctor. Next is up. So up is बच्चे that is the opposite of down. Okay, and it show the upward and the rising movement. Like the balloons went up towards the sky. So this is the chapter of preposition that is completed.